Hey guys, welcome back to Amateur Cooking with Jess. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make lime pie or pie de limon. Super simple recipe, very few ingredients and so easy to make. It's delicious, it's sour, it's sweet, it's everything you need for the summer. Also, there's two ways to make it. You can make it in the oven or you can actually refrigerate it for about 8 hours and eat it right out of the fridge. Today I opted for eating it out of the oven. So if you want to know how I make my lime pie, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's recipe, we will need a pan to cook the pie in, sour cream, sweetened condensed milk, 3/4 cup of lime juice, lime zest, about a tablespoon, lime slices for garnish, Galletas Maria, and a stick of butter. Super simple. First thing we will do is start preheating the oven, and we're going to put it at 350. First thing we're going to do is we're going to blend 1 pack of cookies to make them crumbs. Now that I've blended my 1 pack of cookies, I'm going to grab the stick of butter and mix it up to create some kind of a dough. Now that I've mixed it all, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my pan, and I'm just going to mold it to the bottom of the pan to make the crust for the pie. Fairly easy to do. It's a short process. This whole video is going to be fairly short as this is an easy dessert to make and very delicious and perfect for the summer. The tip that I have though is using a spatula. With the back of it, you can just press on it and it'll remove your little fingerprints and any minor imperfections to make it look a little bit better. Now in the same bowl that I mixed the cookies and the butter, I'm going to mix the rest of my ingredients. So we're going to add the condensed milk, you want to make sure you get all of it out. After we add the condensed milk, we're going to add the lemon zest, the lemon juice, lime juice. I'm saying lemon. And then we're going to measure a 1/4 of a cup, here we go, of sour cream. And here we go, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. Now once we have all the ingredients in there, we're going to mix it with the hand mixer. Now that I've mixed all the wet ingredients, I'm going to pour them over the cookie mix. And I want to make sure to distribute everything evenly. Now once you're happy with the way the pie looks, we're going to put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it starts bubbling. So check on it every 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and I have my pie. Now I'm going to garnish my pie while it's still a little warm so that the limes kind of give it a little more of that sour taste. Perfect. Now we'll just allow it to cool and then we're ready to eat. Okay, so after I took it out of the oven, I let it cool down, and then I stuck it into the freezer for about 30 minutes. And let me tell you, it is amazing. It's sweet, it's sour, it's perfect for the summer weather. And on top of that, this is a great gift for like the mother-in-law. This is just amazing. It has the texture of cheesecake, and the cookie crumble, oh, so good. It's so good. So easy to make. Anyone can do it. If I can do it, anyone can do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.